Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into super handy feature on Temu, your wish list. If you're someone who loves to save items for later, organize your shopping, or just dream about future purchases, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First of all, locate the product and click on it. And it used to be that there is a heart at the top next to the search icon, right? But they now removed that, so now all you left is add to cart and find it in your carts, right? Or you can just find it in your history by clicking you at the bottom, click history, and you're gonna find that you clicked on that product in your browsing for during your browsing for during the browse of your during the browse for product. Okay, and from there you're gonna be able to organize, which one you're interested in. And in order to organize it, you need to go to the card, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to the card, and you can remove the items that you don't want anymore, right? Let me go back and delete it. You're gonna see trash icon right here next to the title of the item, and you can delete any products that you don't want, right? From there you're gonna be able to manage which product you want now. Okay, and make sure you update your wish list or your cart regularly. Make sure that you actually update it, right? Remove items that you no longer need or add new ones as you browse, right? A tidy wish list makes it easier to shop when it's time to buy. Okay, and monitor the price drops. One of the best features is that Temu often alerts you to price drops on your card, right? It used to be wish list, but now on your card. So now you're gonna be able to head quickly to the checkout and buy with your credit card or debit card or even your PayPal. Okay, and when you're ready, you're gonna be able to buy for shipping and much more. So make sure that you kept your payment method updated, and if you want to know how, you can just go out and click you at the bottom, click the settings gear at the top right, and you're gonna find the payment method. Make sure that you added a secure and updated your payment method. And that's how you manage your used to be wish list on Temu like a pro. Whether you're planning your purchases or keeping an eye on deals, this feature is a total game changer. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite item to buy. And do not forget that you need to shop, and subscribe for more shopping tips. See you in the next video, and happy hunting.